Hello guys, this is Benjamin. We're going to tell you how to book a reservation on Frontier Airline. Just click on Frontier Airline here on your Google Chrome. Just you will get the first link, Frontier Airline. Just click here, and once you click here, you'll get this interface for Frontier Airline. So I'm just telling you how to book a new reservation on Frontier. So you can see here saying book a new flight, my trip / check-in, flight status. So if you have a reservation already, you can click here. Put your confirmation number, your Frontier Airline confirmation number, and your last name, and click search. If you want to know the flight status, like if you want to know the flight timing for any flight, just click here. Just put the destination and from where to where you're going, and here the travel date, and you can click search. So what we're gonna do here? We're just calling here to. We're just checking here how to book a reservation, the new reservation online. So if you want to book a round trip, you can click here. If you want to book a one way, you can click here. We're just booking the round trip ticket here. So like if I put here like Los Angeles or LAX, so no, it's not operate from LAX. So we'll search SFO, Francisco, and going to Miami, and it will ask for your travel date. You can click here, select any date you want to go and come back. Then how many passenger? If you have two adults, you can click here. You can add up to 9 passenger in one reservation. So like 2 adults, one infant, then it will ask for the age, 1 year, and one kid passenger, like one passenger, which is a child. Okay, so just click here and just click search. Then it will show you all the flight schedule on those particular dates, and it will also give you some like flexible date as well, where you can see the price. See, I have chosen August 26th to go, but here it will give me the price for 23rd, 24th, 25th, and like you can click here and you can get more. So whatever date you like, whatever the schedule like, you can go ahead and select that one. So in here, what I'm going to select here, I'm select like if I like this August 27. This is the flight timing. So whatever schedule like, you can check the timing here. Like it's leaving SFO 7:05 p.m. arriving Denver 10:46 p.m. Then it's a layover. Then leaving early morning 8:42, and this is the time. You can see all the times here, and this is the price. This is the standard price. If you have a membership with the Frontier, like if you have joined their club, you will get discounted fare here. Okay, if you're not, then yes, you can go with this one. There's a wild card pass. Like there's a offer going on currently on Frontier. If you buy a pass, you will get a better price. So if you have pass, then only it will show you that price. So if you have a membership with Frontier, it will show here. But we don't have either. So what we can do, we just need to select like standard one. I like this one, and now it will say select your return flight. So for the return, the same thing. If you have this pass, or if you have a membership, you will get these prices. If not, then you will get this one here, and I'm selecting this one, the standard one. And once you choose your flight, it will give you a total price here. You can pay this price in one go, or you can select your you can pay in installment as well, per month this much. So you can see the flight details again. This is your flight. This is the price for each way, and total is this. Then click on continue. Once you click on continue, let me see. Then it will ask you to put the details of your passenger. So I'm just putting the details here, the date of birth here, and this is for infant passenger. So like if I'm putting here, this is for the infant passenger. Whatever you're putting there, it will show you that. So I'm just clicking here. This is the second adult passenger, so that's Shivangi Sharma. If you have a middle name, you can put the middle name here. The name should be as appears on your ID. If you're using a driving license, you can use driving license. If you have passport, you can choose the passport here. So it's a female, date of birth. If you have any special request, you can add below your form. Like if you want to add up something myself as a special service, then you can see all the option here, like wheelchair, or if I'm disabled, you can put everything here. If you have pad, you can click here. If you have a readdress number, you can click here. If you have a TSA number, you can click and put your TSA number here. So the next is the child passenger. So the first name of the passenger you can put here, and date of birth here, whatever date of birth is. This is not a child passenger. Date of birth, date of birth, date of birth. It should have been 20s. So, oh god, again I select the same here. So here you can select the date of birth of the passenger. Here we go. Okay, it's taking this. Okay, so now here the passenger who booking the reservation, like card holder, who can mention his details here. Your email address, whatever your email address, whatever your phone number, and whatever your country is, and just click continue. Then later it will ask you if you want to like pay for the bundle. In bundle you will, like if you see this one, the perks underscore bundle, in this you will get one personal items carry-on, one check bag, and seat selection. You have to pay 118 more each passenger. If you want to go for this one, the works bundle, the works underscore bundle, in which you'll get one like personal item, carry-on bag, one check bag, seat selection, flexibility, like if you want to make your changes, you can avoid paying the change fee, and refundability, like if you want to cancel your reservation, you will get a refund. And if you want, you can customize that as well. Like this is like something that you want to add something, I mean you can customize as per your wish. So I'm not doing anything, I'm just click continue here. So now it will ask me for the seat selection, because I booked a lowest basic economy fare, so I have to pay for everything here. So I'm just leaving this as it is. So whatever seat I will get, I will take it. So if you don't select here, you will get a seat for sure, but the seat number is not pre-assumed, so you will get seat number at the time of like check-in. So you don't need to pay for that if you're okay to sitting anywhere in the plane. So I'm not adding any bag. If you want to add a bag, there's a cost. If you want a one carry-on bag, and board first is $54. Like if you want a priority boarding and one carry-on, $54. If you want to add a carry-on only, $45. If not, then you can click on no. And here, no bag. I mean, this is for the carry-on, and this is for the check bag. Already been selected. I'm not having any check bag. The one personal item will be included, so don't worry if you have a small bag, you can carry with you. Okay, and if you want to upgrade your reservation, you can check the bundle here. So I'm just clicking continue. I don't want anything here. Yeah, I don't need a carry-on, so just click here. So now it will say, I mean, if you have booked a lowest economy fare, what you can do, you can avoid paying the change fee by paying $4.99 each passenger. That adds flight flexibility. Like if you want to change your flight, you can do it. And if you want like be on the like be one of the first to board the plane, if you want to go in first group to board the plane, you have to pay around $7.99 each passenger. If you want to do that, if you want to select the car rental, if you want to get insurance for your trip, you can do that here. And if you want any service at the airport, I mean, if you any like senior passengers traveling, then you can add this airport assistance. So once the passenger is reached there, one of the agent will help him at the airport to board the plane. And this is the self-service. Like if you don't want anyone, you can click on self-service. You can upgrade here by clicking the bundle and save. So I don't know anything here, so I'm clicking continue. So here we go. I have mentioned all the details here. What you need to do now, I can see this is the order summary actually. This is my flight, and this is the total cost I'm getting here. So you can pay with your installment, you can pay with your complete card, whatever card you have. We can like put here with debit card, credit card. This is the card holder name, your card number, your card expiration, security code. If you have any promo code from Frontier, you can click here and put here. If you have a voucher number, you can put here. If you have a credit with your old reservation, so we need an old confirmation number and the email address which was used at the time of booking. Then you can, I mean, if you have this, then you can put that. Otherwise, you can go with the card, and then you need to upgrade your billing address here, the card, the address which is associated with your card. The billing address, you can leave this. Just put here your street address, and then here your country of residence, zip code, city, and state. You can say straight from here, and email address. Once you do that, just click on purchase and accept, and you will get 6-letter alphanumeric code for your reservation, and you will get the email as well. So if you need more information about that, or if you need any help to book your flight, hotel, car rental, or even a package, you can contact us. You can you can leave your comment in comment box, or you can email us, or you can call us anytime. We are available 24/7. So thank you for watching.